Isn't it romantic, Ruff? So sweet of you to take me on a cruise.
Yeah. That is exactly what I planned.
So where are we going, Poochie Poo? Also, can you read another devotional?
I found a flyer for a hot, explosive vacation on Volcano Island. It will be a blast. Sure. Devotional? Let's see, devotion 59. It was becoming clearer and clearer to the Philistines that they did not know what they had gotten hold of when they took the ark from Israel. The next thing we read in the account shows God once again making the Philistines regret ever having taken the ark. 1 Samuel 5:6. But the hand of the Lord was heavy upon them of Ashdod, and he destroyed them, and smote them with emerods, even Ashdod, and the coasts thereof. And when the men of Ashdod saw that it was so, they said, The ark of the God of Israel shall not abide with us, for his hand is sore upon us, and upon Dagon our God. You probably do not recognize the painful humor found in this passage, but when you know the definition of one of the odd words in it, it will become very clear. Emerods is an old English word for hemorrhoids. Ouch! Just ouch! To say that God hit them where it hurt would be quite the understatement. These people could not get rid of the ark fast enough. Israel may have been disobedient to God, but at least they were his people. God was making it very plain to the Philistines that there was a difference between them and the Hebrews. On our worst days, on the days when we stumble and fall and slip and feel miserable, to remember that we, the saved, are the people of God, and God always looks at us differently than he does the lost.
It's good to be saved, that is for sure. However, Ruff, I question your vacation spot. It sounds dangerous.
Can't be any more dangerous than that ship on fire over there. Blabbers!
The cookies are toast.
Have a blessed day.